Hi, today I'll be covering the picking pattern and chords for the chorus of Fleetwood Mac, Landslide. It's an awesome chord progression. We covered the verse last time, so I'll link that in the description at the end of the video. Here we go. Following on from the verse video last week, I won't be using a capo for this teaching video. If you want to play the song at the pitch of the actual recording by the band, put the capo on fret 3. I'll be demonstrating that at the end of the video. So we're going to break it down now. I'll break the chorus down into two different sections. The first section will be starting on the G chord. It will be then going to a D/F sharp or D over F sharp chord, then to an E minor chord. The picking pattern for those three chords begins with the thumb on the E string. It then jumps down to the D string. The first finger plays the G string, the thumb plays the A string, middle finger plays the B string, thumb plays the D string, first finger plays the G string. So we get this. Going over the chords for that section using our new picking pattern, we've got G, D over F sharp, E minor, twice, the chords for the second section of the chorus are C, G over B, A minor 7, and D over F sharp. Breaking down the picking pattern for this part of the chorus, we have the thumb on the A string, then down to the D string, the first finger on the G string, the thumb on the A string, middle finger on the B string, thumb back to the D string, and the first finger on the G string. So now adding the chords and the picking pattern together. And when we get to the D over F sharp, we revert to the picking pattern from the first part of the chorus. Once again. Sections 1 and sections 2 of the chorus with the picking pattern and the chords together. The chorus plays a second time in the song, but instead of going to the D over F sharp at the end, it plays an A minor 7, picking the A string, thumb, and then D string, thumb, first finger G string, and then changes to G over B, A string, thumb, D string, thumb, first finger G, I'm going to play the chorus the whole way through, slowed down. Okay, so this is the capo that I'll be using today. This is a trigger capo, so I can squeeze it and it will open up nice and easy for me to pop onto the strings and the neck. A capo basically, in this context, changes the key of the song. So if I pop my capo on fret number 3, without bending any of the strings, because that can make the guitar sound out of tune, what I'll do now is play through the chorus with the capo on. I hope you found today's lesson useful and it's helping you on your way to learning Landslide.